Hey my loves, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Brittney.Dashay. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. And I decided to actually purchase a wig from UNice hair, and I do not regret it at all. I decided to get a 20-inch Brazilian U-part wig. Definitely U-part wigs has been gracing us and coming back full in effect. And the quality of this hair definitely was worth every penny. I did decide to wear the hair straight out of the package. I didn't color it. I didn't treat it, anything like that. It did not have any smell. It was really ready to go. All I needed to do was just cut the lace as well as cut the netting that keeps the wig together. And the quality of that lace is very soft, so if you're wanting to adhere to your back of your nape, you definitely can. So a good install starts with a good foundation. So I made sure that I had my friend braid my hair down, and she did flawlessly, and made sure that I treated my scalp, moisturized it, because I do plan on wearing this wig for about 2 weeks or so, or in between wearing another wig. So definitely start with a good foundation. Okay, so the products that I used, I got them from my local beauty supply. I made sure I didn't want to put too much product in the wig, don't want to have a lot of buildup, but all the products that I will have listed in description below, I either got it from my local beauty supply, which was my thermal styles of what I use for my edge control, thermal spray, glosser, all of that was from my local beauty supply. But the crimper, I actually got that from Amazon, and I'll put that in description below. So with the hair, it definitely can hold a curl. I have put a few curls in it just off camera, just playing around with the hair. But I definitely wanted to test out my crimper. I haven't crimped my hair since high school, so I wanted to test that out, see how the hair holds a curl with the crimp. I don't really like a hard crimp. I like more of a beach curl, or a beach wave, you can say. Beach curl, who do that? But anywho, so definitely it can hold a curl. Just making sure you have a good hairspray where it can help with frizz, so the hair doesn't get too flat. I like full thick hair, so definitely I like to spray it down, but not too much, with some hairspray. But definitely the combs are very secure. With some U-part wigs, it has the like clip-in clips where you kind of push them in to open them and then close them. I like that one, but this really, I felt secure, like the wig is not going to go anywhere with it being installed inside the braid, or combed inside the braid. It really made it easy for the install. With my leave out, I definitely did not want to have too much hair, but I wanted to still blend very well, so I made sure that I had a good amount. But this wig is really simple, very easy, did not take long at all. The only reason it would have took me, well, it took me longer than 30 or 20 minutes because I'm styling it. If I was just doing a simple flat iron, definitely it's not going to take too long. But I definitely plan on doing some more styles with this wig, as well as purchasing some more hair from the from UNice or UNice. But definitely I am so happy with my purchase. I want to actually color this hair. I might just get another wig and color that one, but definitely the quality of this hair is very nice, holds a nice curl, and it did not have a smell. I have to stress that it did not have a smell, and I felt comfortable to wear it straight out the pack. But yes, this video is short and sweet. It's kind of self-explanatory. The hair is not complicated to install at all. It really just depends on your foundation, making sure that you either have your hair smoothed down or you have it braided down if you have length. So I'm going to link the wig down below, so if you want to get your wig, you know where to go. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to leave y'all to it. Definitely with some good little tunes to listen to while y'all watch the last bit of me install and curl this hair. But if you have not already, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Punch, slap, kick that notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
So she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah, tryna leave. I would love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie, you can understand. Y'all can leave your hands like this. Y'all can make it bounce like this. Let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.